DDL, yes, madam. Okay. How how about like I have friend like you. How I call you same like Didi. Dudu? What I call for if you have friend men? Dudu o Didi? Loko talaga. Ha? If yes, if friend lady, I call is like sister Didi. How about brother? What they call? Teach me how to speak in India. Maybe I get married to you.